Here we go, and it sounds to me like the crowd is more than ready for this one.
So am I, Michael. I've been looking forward to this match for a long, long time.
The Bruiserweight.
And his opponent, first, from Birmingham, England, weighing in at 205 pounds, he's Dunne.
Burst on the scene with the likes of Tyler Bate, who was the first ever United Kingdom champion, and Trent Seven to form British strong style, but he's now moved up on his own and become one of the great young up-and-coming superstars in WWE today.
Almost a sick, twisted pleasure that Dunne derives from the opportunity just to hear his opponent scream and wail in pain.
As intense and as dangerous as they come.
Dunne enjoys winning as much as he enjoys inflicting pain upon his opponents.
You don't have to like Pete Dunne, but he will demand that you remember his name.
This is it. This is the match we've all been waiting for.
And the electricity level in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt.
Guys, I was still competing in NXT when the Shield was running roughshod. Seth Rollins, Dean Ambrose, and this man, Roman Reigns. And we knew the future was bright, but no one quite expected Reigns to have the impact on the WWE Universe that he has since the NXT days. One of the workhorses of WWE proudly feels that he carries this business on his broad shoulders and will continue to do so well into the future.
Well, Roman has that swagger, Roman has that confidence, and Roman has that message to the entire roster of WWE. If you think you can stop me, try.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Go ahead, Byron, try.
I'm good.
One of only 2 men in history to beat The Undertaker at WrestleMania. guys. This one promises to be absolutely amazing.
But as they say, promises are made to be broken, Michael. Though in this case, I think we're safe.
I can't wait to see what the big dog, Roman Reigns, has in store tonight.
Settle in, guys. This is going to be a blast to watch.
Roman Reigns calls the ring his yard, and I don't expect him to give it up tonight.
Well, the big dog's on the hunt, and I wouldn't want to be in his sights right now.
What a strike. Ooh! Elbow.
Jeez, did you see that? He has such a wide array of offense from anywhere in the ring.
Scoop slam. What a stomp.
Good grief.
He's starting to feel it here. To be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
I know it's early, but if things stayed the way they are, winning this match might just be a pipe dream for him.
Nailed it.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Now it's Roman Reigns on his heels. He looks incredibly motivated, though. Don't expect him to be down for long.
He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach.
Looks like trouble here, Byron.
I don't know. I guess that all depends on who you're rooting for.
He's positioned up on that turnbuckle.
I would not want to be him right now. Oh! Beautiful technique. Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
What a strike.
Big elbow.
Ooh, what impact. Toss to the outside. On the shoulders here.
It could be a long way down from there.
Byron, he looks like he has no idea where he is.
Yeah, he is definitely on Dream Street, Michael.
Got the reversal.
Ooh, no luck against Dunne there.
Too quick. What a strike. Whoa, it's another reversal.
I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like that.
When this guy's on, look out. Up and a spinning sit-out powerbomb. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Oh, nasty impact.
This one's over, guys.
Across the shoulders. Down, Samoan driver.
Victory is on the horizon. Oh, man, Dunne is in trouble now.
Oh, and he connects. There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Boom! KO punch. Oh, my God.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact. He's making a statement here with this attack.
How can Roman Reigns be put on the offensive quickly here? He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
You can learn a lot about a guy in a match like this, and what I've learned so far here tonight is that there is absolutely no... Superman punch! Here's his chance. Spear! Spear!
He might have just ended this.
Great move by him right there.
Yeah, let's see that one again.
Roman Reigns is absolutely on fire right now.
Harsh impact. And that one grounds him.
I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw.
Head scissors applied. Oh, look at this.
No luck against Dunne there.
Too quick.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, guys, nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh, and he reverses it.
When this guy's on, look out. And he's heading back in.
Vicious strike. Goes down hard. Oh, trying to dislocate the shoulder. What a clothesline! Ouch! This is a tough spot to find yourself in, that's for sure.
But if anybody could break free from this, it's this superstar right here.
Not so fast. Boom, right in the button. Crashing down the hard way.
This capacity crowd starting to sense the end is near, and I don't disagree.
This is clearly not the same competitor who started this match in such great shape.
And things look bleak right now.
Well, on the plus side, he's not the only one in that ring struggling for air right now.
He's looking at it.
Lights out. DDT connects.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Roman Reigns just too fast for him.
Big slam.
What an assault on Roman Reigns.
Even DDT.
But can he follow up here?
Oh, he's such a tough target. He has him right where he wants him. Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
He is getting absolutely manhandled here. He may very well be on Dream Street right now, guys.
He has got to fight back. Clearly, they're both running on fumes.
Super kick.
That's how you put an exclamation point on a match.
He wants to do this in the ring.
With the damage sustained by Dunne, he could be on his way out.
This could be the end of him at any moment right now.
He has got to do something.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Here's his moment, Michael. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Oh, man, Roman Reigns is busted up.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
He's got him on his heels and shows no signs of letting up.
Nailed it. Look, oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine. And there's his speed paying off. Boom!
Back in from the floor.
Showing off some of his speed there. Knee drop.
Roman Reigns just too fast for him.
Boom, what impact. An incredible combination.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Uh-oh.
Superman punch. Good night.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Oof.
I don't know how much more damage one person can take. I don't care how tough you are. He wants no part of the outside. At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets serious.
Down with the Samoan drop. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. Look there!
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier. Clearly not afraid to go to the well again.
Roman Reigns just too fast for him.
Across the shoulders.
Man, what a slam.
Can he finish him off here? I get it. It's a cool move. But again, really?
Oh my God, a clothesline. I'll tell you what, this is one they'll be talking about tomorrow at work or school, that's for sure. Elbow drop!
Right to the heart.
Ooh, what an uppercut!
He's got him on his heels and shows no signs of letting up.
Tornado DDT!
Viking DDT. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
How are these superstars even still going, guys? I mean, they have to be... impactful slam!
Game, set, match. This one is over.
Across the shoulders. Up and...
Reverses that one. Wow, what impact! Oh, nasty impact. Oh, what impact! This might be it! Oh, my!
Roman Reigns saw that one coming. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
He wants it one more time. What a slam!
Impactful. Holds on your spine.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin. Just as devastating the second time around.
Oh, he goes down hard.
Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now. This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart. You gotta believe this one's over.
Nailed it. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
Whoa, fist drop. Too quick for him there.
Ollie, down. Russian leg sweep. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Clothesline.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's lining him up.
He's teetering on the edge here.
He's playing with him now.
That
might have done it, Cole.
Yes! Takes it!
Now let's take a look back at these guys in action.
I can watch highlights of that one all night long. One of the great WWE matches I've ever been able to watch. That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance.
Here is your winner, Herbert the Crusher.
Now that's eking out a win.
This win is exactly why so many superstars hope their number never gets called to face this guy.
You're going to be hard-pressed to find action like what we just saw anywhere else, but right here on Raw.